How to download and install AliExpress app. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's begin. AliExpress app is a shopping app where you can buy various products and receive it over to your place from any place of the world. So in order to download and install it in your device, you have to first go to your Google Play Store. AliExpress can also be used in your desktop or iOS device or Android device. For iOS and Android device, the process is same over here. From PC also, you can download the AliExpress apps. After opening up the Google Play Store, in the search bar you have to tap and search for AliExpress. And after searching for it, you'll be able to see this app. So you have to simply tap on install option over here. Then after a few seconds, your AliExpress app will be installed on your device. And from over there, you can create an account on AliExpress and you can do shopping of the products you like. So by following this simple step, you can download and install AliExpress app. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.